It's an opportunity to encourage disadvantaged adults, young people throughout Scotland. It's a positive change in the sense of that the power that what football can do for young people. And I just want you to look at this video just to give you an insight into the work they do.
I was at probably the lowest ebb in my life. I was sleeping rough in the streets of Glasgow 6 or 7 days, and I was on the brink of suicide.
There was a lot of drug use around me and a lot of chaos in my life regarding my mum, and then also I got involved with taking drugs myself.
Due to the chaotic lifestyle I was leading, I had no hope in life. I had no belief in myself to do anything else but sell drugs and be involved in that lifestyle, and that inevitably led to prison.
Just out of prison, I felt down. I felt like nobody cared. I felt alone until the day my friend asked me to come along to street soccer.
The reason behind Street Soccer Scotland came from my own personal experiences. 10 years ago I was on the streets in Glasgow, and football was the rope that pulled me out of a dark hole, and that led me into a path of volunteering, education and coaching. Street Soccer Scotland is a social enterprise which uses the power of football to create real positive change in the lives of socially disadvantaged adults and young people. We have drop-in sessions and our challenge series, which allows players to come down, get involved, meet new people and just make friends and build up their confidence.
I don't know what I was expecting. I don't know if I was expecting just a kick about, a laugh, an argument. When I first showed, I was really impressed with the session, the way it was run, the quality of the football, the quality of the people, and that's what made me stick at it.
It was about giving myself something to do through the day, get myself doing something positive. When you get in there and you play football and you mix with all these other guys, there's so much more there on offer.
It was just great to see that there's people there to help, give you support, advice and help you through things. I just started to volunteer for drop-in sessions. I started helping out, started doing a bit of coaching. Eventually in 2011 I was asked to captain Scotland at the Homeless World Cup in Paris. I was absolutely overwhelmed to ask to be captain my country.
The Homeless World Cup provides players the chance to go and represent their country at an international tournament and become role models to their peers and their other players, and they're great ambassadors for the project.
The day that I found out that I was actually selected for the Scotland women's team was just amazing. That's when I really wanted to change my life. Do you know, it gave me something to look forward to.
Since street soccer, I've started a mortgage with my fiancée. I'm working full-time at Edinburgh Waverley, and it gave me confidence in meeting new people. I learnt new skills in football coaching. I went volunteering, started changing my life around. That's when me and my parents started getting on a lot more.
My life's so positive now. I have my son and my daughter back in my life. I have my own house. I'm in full-time employment, and I'm there for people now, regarding whether they're in the same situation I was before, and I'm there to support, help and be there.
When I was playing sport, it made me feel great. It was just a great outlet for me and release. I was playing football with Hibs, played for Hearts. I was also involved with the Scotland development squad.
Since coming into recovery and stuff like that, and doing all the right things, keeping away from drinking drugs, keeping away from all that crime and all the rest of it, I've landed on my feet. You know, I've landed a lovely wee flat. I am now an addiction support worker for the Scottish Drugs Forum. So I'll be helping people who were the way I was once upon a time in my life. My life has turned around 360 degrees now.
You see people who make a sudden transformation through just being given an opportunity and given the chance to express themselves and give them some support and mentoring. Our aim is to expand the programmes so more people can get involved and have the opportunity to change their lives.
Street soccer means everything to me. It's given me so much in terms of opportunity and support.
It's changed me as a person.
I've got self-respect for myself again.
Street soccer has given me hope for the future.
Get involved and see the positive change they can make.